Good morning, student. I am Thayal sir. Today we will discuss the rest part of the aldehyde and ketone. In the previous class, we will discuss the chemical properties of aldehyde and ketone. It's a fifth point. One is nucleophilic addition reaction. Second one is nucleophilic addition reaction with elimination of water and oxidation reaction. Today we will discuss the reduction of aldehyde ketone and various type of miscellaneous reaction. So, second air chemistry. Aldehyde and ketone. The rest part of the aldehyde and ketone. Part one is reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Reduction of aldehyde and ketone. It is more interesting that you already know how aldehyde and ketone can be prepared. Aldehyde and ketone can be prepared from alcohol, that is oxidation of alcohol, also reduction of alcohol. Similarly, I already told you in the previous class that one method of preparation is the chemical properties of the other. Similarly, here the properties of aldehyde and ketone, that is method of preparation of alcohol. Reduction or carbon, that is general reaction. The carbonyl compound undergoes reduction in several types of reagents. I already study you in the diagrammatical way. Aldehyde or ketone or carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound undergoes reduction in presence of nickel, platinum or palladium, aluminum hydride or BH4 or alcohol. When carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde or it may be aldehyde or ketone, when undergoes reduction in presence of nickel, platinum or palladium catalyst, then alcohol is formed. Similarly, when carbonyl compound undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, then also alcohol is formed. It is also method of preparation of alcohol is the properties of aldehyde and ketone. Instead of R, you can take NH hydrogen or any alkyl group. Instead of R, you can use H or any alkyl group. Again, I repeat that when a carbonyl compound undergoes reduction in presence of nickel, platinum or palladium, then an alcohol is formed. Similarly, in carbonyl compound, one H is added. So RCH what? That is alcohol. Thus, various type of alcohol is formed. Similarly, another type of reduction where different reagents are used. Then similarly, when carbonyl compound undergoes reduction in presence of zinc amalgam. What is zinc amalgam? That is a mixture of zinc and mercury. In presence of concentrated HCl, then an alkane is formed. Similarly, when carbonyl compound undergoes reduction in presence of hydrogen, NH2, and in presence of a base, then also alkane is formed. Also, when carbonyl compound undergoes reduction in presence of hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus also a alkane is formed. It is interesting that this reaction is called Clemmensen reduction reaction. This reaction is known as Olpissner. This is known as Olpissner reaction or Olpissner reduction reaction. Again, I repeat that when aldehyde ketone undergoes reduction in presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, then alkane is formed. This reaction is called Clemmensen reduction reaction. Similarly, when aldehyde or ketone undergoes reduction in presence of hydrogen and treated with a base, then and also alkane is formed, which is also known Olpissner reduction reaction. Another property is that when aldehyde ketone undergoes reduction in presence of hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus, then also alkane is formed. So, in the reduction of aldehyde ketone, two name reaction arises. That is, one is Clemmensen reduction reaction, another is Olpissner reduction reaction. Then reduction of aldehyde ketone and complete. Then another type of property of aldehyde ketone, that is various type of miscellaneous reaction. Various type of miscellaneous reaction contains some important name reaction. That is, for example, one is Cannizzaro reaction, Roche-Cannizzaro reaction, aldol condensation, and Roche-Aldol condensation. Here I can explain the miscellaneous reaction. First one is Cannizzaro reaction. Various type of miscellaneous reaction. First one is Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. So first we know what is Cannizzaro reaction. When a carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde, which do not contain any alpha hydrogen, undergoes oxidation and reduction in presence of concentrated alkali, then an alcohol and salt of carboxylic acid is formed. This is known as Cannizzaro reaction. In Cannizzaro reaction, two aldehydes is taken where no alpha hydrogen is present. When treated with dilute alkali, that is concentrated NaOH or KOH, then one molecule is undergoes oxidation and another molecule undergoes reduction. Then one alcohol and another salt of carboxylic acid is formed. This is known as Cannizzaro reaction. It is in evolution point of view, it is an important reaction. Also, question asking that which in the Cannizzaro reaction, or when two molecules of formaldehyde reacts with concentrated NaOH or alkali, what product will it form? Then now I explain. So write it. Aldehyde which do not contain any alpha hydrogen such as formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Undergoes I explained Cannizzaro reaction. What is Cannizzaro reaction? When or aldehyde which do not containing any alpha hydrogen, such as formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, undergoes self-oxidation and reduction on treatment with concentrated alkali. Then a mixture of alcohol and salt of carboxylic acid is formed. This reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. In this reaction, it explains that one is oxidation and another is reduction. So, two molecules of, suppose for example, two molecules of formaldehyde taken. Formaldehyde, there is no presence of alpha hydrogen. One molecule of formaldehyde, it undergoes oxidation to form a carboxylic acid, and another molecule of formaldehyde undergoes reduction, then form a alcohol. Now, write the reaction and what are the mechanism takes place. When two molecules of formaldehyde, undergo self-oxidation and reduction in presence of concentrated alkali taking concentrated sodium hydroxide, then an alcohol, that is methanol, and another is sodium salt of acid, then sodium formate is formed. Another, taking an example, two molecules of benzaldehyde. When treated with concentrated NaOH solution, then it is known as benzyl alcohol, another is sodium benzoate. When two molecules of benzaldehyde treated with concentrated NaOH solution, then one is alcohol, that is benzyl alcohol, another is acid, sodium benzoate. This is all about the Cannizzaro reaction. So, what are the mechanism involved in the Cannizzaro reaction? Let us know. Taking an example of benzaldehyde, one treated with concentrated NaOH solution. Adroit transport I can explain now. Consider step 2, two steps. Step 1, where one molecule of benzaldehyde treated with concentrated NaOH solution, then the nucleophile part OH minus. Because in the previous also we know that aldehyde ketone undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. Here the OH and nucleophile attack with the carbon atom. Then an intermediate is formed in the first reaction. Then in step 2. It reacts with another molecule of the benzaldehyde, and here hydride transport takes place. It is a slow reaction, a slow step or direct determining step. Then two molecular form. Then undergoes proton exchange. So one is acid and another is alcohol is formed. Carbogenic acid and another is alcohol. Another is alcoholic form. So that's the mechanism behind the carnivorous reaction. Then we proceed the aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction. First we know what is aldol condensation reaction. Similarly, in carnivorous reaction, the aldol condensation also same but little change here, because in carnivorous reaction molecule taken where no alpha hydrogen present, but in aldol condensation reaction molecule taken where alpha hydrogen must be present. So what is aldol condensation reaction? So aldehyde and ketone containing a alpha hydrogen. Again I repeat that, when an aldehyde or ketone containing a alpha hydrogen undergoes condensation in presence of dilute alkali, then an aldol is formed, which is known as aldol condensation reaction. So what is aldol? Aldol containing both aldehyde group and the alcohol group. First we know what is aldol condensation reaction. Aldehyde and ketone containing alpha hydrogen undergo in presence of dilute alkali, then beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone is formed. Is called aldol condensation reaction. Again I repeat that, what is aldol condensation reaction? Aldehyde and ketone containing alpha hydrogen undergoes self condensation in presence of dilute alkali. Then beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone is called aldol condensation reaction. That is beta hydroxyaldehyde and beta hydroxyketone is known as aldol. Aldol. That is one is aldehyde and another is alcohol. One is aldehyde and another is alcohol. So then we know the reaction of aldol condensation reaction. Here taking two molecule of acetaldehyde in presence of dilute alkali then aldol is formed. Hydroxymethanol. When two molecule of acetaldehyde reacts with or treatment with dilute alkali, then an aldol is formed. Here are the two functional group present. One is aldehyde group, another is alcohol group is present. Then also, when it undergoes acidification, then protonaldehyde is formed. Then aldol on hitting in acid solution, then water molecule is removed. So a protonaldehyde or both double bond and an aldehyde group is present. That is protonaldehyde is formed. Also, question asking in the mention that convert. Question asking in the mention that convert acetaldehyde to protonaldehyde. Convert acetaldehyde to protonaldehyde. Thus, the chapter of aldehyde ketone can be finished. One important concept I give you that in organic section or organic chemistry, question asking 28 marks, that question asking them method of preparation and property. Method of preparation and property, conversion, name reaction, identify ABCD and distinguish. So what happens? So in the previous class, the chapter completed alkyl halide and aryl halide, alcohol, phenol, and then aldehyde ketone. The name reaction arises which must be acted in the examination. Also various type of conversion. Also identify ABCD type of reaction and distinguish between the previous class. I learned you that. The difference between acetaldehyde and formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, such type of question. So, hope you understand, and the chapter aldehyde ketone can be completed. Thank you.